Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Nova 9, and I'll show you how to check Android version on this device. Unfortunately, we cannot check this in the usual settings right here in our phone, so we need to get the Ampere application. So now we'll go to the app gallery, and now here in search pool just type Ampere. Now we have to get this application. Okay, we'll wait a few seconds while this is downloading. Okay, tap to allow and install. So now we get the message that our application is here. So just tap here, click yes I agree, tap to close, and here OK. Here tap to OK on the left down corner and right there. And here you can see your Android version on this device. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.